This is a Banana Pitanga. Don't know what one is, neither do I, but we've got one and we're going to plant it.
You may not know, but it's a Pitanga banana. That's a mouthful, isn't it? I think the Latin name's even easier, Eugenia Anthropophaga. This is a fairly small tree. It only gets to about 2 to 4 metres, so really good for a pot. It belongs to the Myrtaceae family and is native to South America. And the reason I got it is for the fruit. It's an early bearer, flowering around about the age of 3, and produces these elongated, about 3-inch, 75mm yellow berries resembling small bananas, which I suppose is where it gets its name. And the taste of the fruit is meant to be both acidic and sweet, somewhat like apricot crossed with passion flower and pineapple. So it's going to be an interesting thing in a couple of years to find out what this fruit tastes like. What do you reckon? Look good to you? Let me know in the comments.
As we normally do, we've got our normal 50 centimetre, 50 litre I suppose, pot here. It's got some old soil in the bottom and we're going to improve it in, because this is subtropical, we're going to use quite a bit of compost. Now I've still got some leftover purchased compost from when I ran a bit low on my own homegrown stuff. So we're going to use that up, and it's mostly Fogo, I would expect, just garden stuff. And it doesn't look too bad. It's fairly organic. It'll do for this particular application. So come in and have a look. So here we have it here. First thing we'll do is we'll put a bit of the compost in, probably about half a bag of that. Mix that lot through. Then we're going to add some manure and a bit more potting mix to it. In goes our manure. What do you think of my bent shovel? I'm not sure it's much better than the standard one, but the weeding fork and that sort of thing are much better with the bent handle. I did a review on those too. Put a link somewhere up the top there if you want to have a look. I'm going to put in a little bit of our gentle fertiliser, which is not my normal blood and bone. I'd rather get the stuff from Green Life soil, but I haven't been out there for a while. Now blood and bone should be relatively gentle. Almost like blood and bone. Here he is there. Just watered it this morning. Yeah. Oh, that wasn't good, but it should still be okay. So I'll fill that in a bit. Probably could have stayed in a small pot a little longer. Let's leave some room for the mulch which we're going to put in. Nice bit of triple C, so this chicken manure, corn and canola straw will not only keep it nice and cool, but provide quite a bit of nutrients as well. I did a short on these trees that I got from Cyrus out at Primal Fruits. I'll link to it up there if you want to go and have a look to see everything that I bought. That's the place. So there we go, Banana Pitanga is in. I'll have to put it in a semi-shaded sort of spot. Not out in direct sunlight, not in our environment. And we'll see how it goes. Pretty small at the moment. Its roots got damaged as I pulled it out, or the pot fell apart, didn't have enough roots in it. Really should have left it a bit longer, but it looked like it was ready to move to this pot. Have to see how it goes, but we'll put some seaweed on this, help it establish a little bit better, maybe give the roots a bit of a boost, and treat it well and keep an eye on it. So if you want to see how a Banana Pitanga turns out, like, subscribe, hit that bell icon. You guys enjoy life. I'll catch you in the garden.